Yo, check it. Yo fam, what's up? You are back for another video with Datazero. In this video, we're looking at AMC, GME, SPY, Bitcoin, and cryptocurrency, XRP, Ethereum. We're going to be looking at the charts, facts, and data for these assets and breaking down what I'm expecting on the micro and macro based off of my technical analysis and research. Now, something is going on with Twitter right now, so I'm not able to show you guys the tweets and stuff like that with the recent news, but I do talk about it in this video. But let's not waste any more time and hop in the charts, facts, data, showing you what you need to know as a trader and investor. Yo fam, what is up? You are back for another video with Datazero. This is your daily outlook and prediction for stocks and crypto. Let's not waste any more time and hop in the charts, facts, and data right now, ladies and gentlemen. So as you can see, AMC tracking with our prediction from yesterday's video. Now, I did make some alterations. I do these live. When I do any type of alterations or anything like that, I do them live. So I did make a little bit of changes here on AMC stock, so it's just a little bit more realistic on what we could actually see day by day for the rest of the next couple of days. So what I'm expecting for AMC tomorrow, and I'm not going to do a small micro prediction because this macro prediction kind of shows you what I'm looking at here, is I'm expecting a slight push to the upside here pre-market, and then we'll probably drop down to fill that gap that I was telling you guys about. There's a gap here that I was telling you guys about, and that gap must get filled. So I told you guys that we'd probably head down towards that yesterday, and that's exactly what we're seeing moving into the day into tomorrow. So I'm expecting to see AMC actually drop down to like 332, 325, around that range. And I've been telling you guys that for the past couple of days now, that I do expect some downside for AMC. I always got to keep it real with you guys on what we're looking at. Now, when in doubt, you must zoom out, ladies and gentlemen. We had these huge pushes to the upside here for AMC. AMC is looking good. We're making higher lows and higher highs. We're in an overall uptrend. You can also see here on the macro time frame that we're looking good as well. If you go ahead and zoom out even further, you guys can see that weekly MACD is green. You guys can see that we are trending up. We are breaking out of a falling wedge. This is what you want to see for your stock. The fact that we are pulling back to consolidate and retest the lows only lets us build a sustainable base so we can move up even higher. Again, pulling back isn't always a bad thing. Sometimes it's necessary in order to continue moving up. Now, that's not always the case, but sometimes it is necessary. So we do have these gap fills to the downside that we have to get filled starting at about 331 to about 325. Those gaps will most likely get filled tomorrow. Once those gaps get filled, I'm expecting recovery. We have 2 gap fills to the upside here for AMC. That means we will be coming up to fill those gaps. So we need to come down and fill this lower one, and then we can work our way back up.